This ultra-thin smartphone has been dubbed the iPhone 17 Air.
What's up friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.
It's early days for the phone. iPhone release date are pretty easy to predict. Giving every number Apple smartphone in the last decade. Giving every number Apple smartphone in the last decade has come out in the September. It's a strong bet that the iPhone 17 Air will emerge in September 2025. Price is more difficult to gauge. It's wishful thinking to hope that it will come in at $899 starting point of the iPhone 15 Plus. The most portable thing about the iPhone 17 Air is likely to be how skinny it will be. We don't have any actual measurement on that yet, but given its aluminum cases is predicted to be significantly thinner. This thin frame will reportedly support a 6.6 inches OLED display, which is only slightly smaller than the iPhone 15 Plus, that is 6.7 inches panel. Apparently, it might have other premium features to make it stand out too, such as smaller hole and pill-shaped cutout for dynamic island.
That's all for now and thanks for watching.